Sup everybody, Logan from Crypto Videos back with another video. Today we're going over the Treehouse token from the Treehouse protocol, aka Treehouse Finance. Ticker symbol is TREE. And the pre-tokens just went live today for pre-market trading. So you can get the pre-tokens for the Treehouse Finance token right now as of today. We're going to go over that and how you can get the full token and the info on this token as well. And we're going to do that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. And always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the decentralized fixed income layer. Treehouse is a decentralized application that introduces Treehouse assets, known as T-assets, and decentralized offered rates, DOR. New primitives that enable fixed income products in digital assets. Users who deposit ETH or liquid staking tokens, LST, into the protocol receive T-ETH and contribute to the convergence of fragmented on-chain ETH rates. T-ETH also enhances the crypto economic security of DOR, a consensus mechanism for benchmark rate setting. Now, their webpage is treehouse.finance. You can find tons of links over there. I'm going to put their Twitter, their X, in the corner of the screen there as usual at TreehouseFi. You can see their webpage is there. Discord, you could join there. Gold verified, checkmark, 2,182 posts so far, 76,200 Twitter followers. And it was just announced that the pre-tokens just went live today. July 22nd at 6 a.m. UTC time, which has already passed. So the pre-market trading is available for the pre-tokens right now for Treehouse on Mexc Global. Now, what is pre-market trading? Well, pre-market trading is an over-the-counter service offered by Mexc that allows users to buy and sell new tokens before they're officially listed on the exchange. This service lets traders set preferred prices to find matching trades, providing an opportunity to trade at favorable prices before the public launch. By participating in Mexc pre-market trading, users gain a competitive edge before the tokens are officially issued. Staying informed about the trading process and requirements is essential to maximize your chances to succeed in these trades. Now, if you're looking to get the pre-tokens and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get the pre-tokens is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the pre-market trading zone, and you would search Tree, and then simply just buy the pre-tokens. So Mexc pre-market trading provides investors with a way to seize market opportunities before a new token's official assurance. So compared to post-listing trades, investors have the potential to acquire popular tokens at more favorable terms, potentially gaining a competitive advantage. And shortly after the pre-market trading, when the TGE, the token generation event, occurs for the Treehouse token, you'll just be able to get the full token also off Mexc Global as well. And if you follow the Twitter that's in the corner of the screen there at TreehouseFi, you'll be able to see when that TGE is, and then you'll be able to get the full token off of Mexc. So within the Treehouse architecture, we have the T-asset, which is a liquid staking token, LST, that works to provide real yield in excess of a chain's risk rate or risk-free rate through interest rate arbitrage. Also, the DOR, decentralized offered rate, is a reference rate setting consensus mechanism incentivizing a market of stakeholders to provide accurate interest rates data and forecasts. We have operators, and they're the initiators of DOR feeds and help to maintain the integrity and success of existing DORs. Treehouse will serve as the first operator working with a select panelists to bring to life the first DOR, the Treehouse Ethereum staking rate, TESR curve. Panelists are entities that are equipped with proprietary models and Treehouse DOR software to provide interest rate data or forecasts. At this time, only whitelisted panelists who have passed stringent checks are allowed to perform this duty, ensuring the early integrity of the Treehouse protocol. Also, referencers are entities that integrate DOR feeds directly into their own interest rate-related services or products utilizing DOR in the pricing or settling of financial instruments. And then we have the delegators, which are participants who delegate T assets to panelists to fulfill DOR duties on their behalf. Delegators retain full ownership of their assets but give agency rights to their selected panelists. Now, they have a full white paper that you can find at docs.treehouse.finance. That's going to have all the info on there. But if you want to find even more on there, they also have learning resources, key terms, and a technical white paper, support and community. And they have small sections. One of them is just specifically about TETH, where you can learn the architecture, risk, security, user guides, key addresses. Then they have a section about DOR, where they go over the key design principles, stakeholders, payout mechanism, slashing mechanism, etc. Then they have the DOR operated by Treehouse, where you could check out the staking rate, lending rate, and borrowing rate. And then it has a section specifically about the company or the team, I guess you would call it, where they call it the Road to Decentralization, where they say Treehouse is committed to creating an inclusive and resilient ecosystem where community involvement and governance are pivotal in shaping the evolution of digital asset fixed income markets. While blockchain aims to eliminate inefficient intermediaries, effective governance is essential for ensuring internal processes, providing a voice to ecosystem participants, and preventing gridlock. So if you want to learn about building with them, you could do that on the document section as well. But check it all out. Treehouse.finance is the webpage. Going to have tons of links over there. Check out the Twitter. Check out the pre-market trading available now on Mexc Global. Have a look at all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.